What's up guys, welcome back to the Utah Airguns Workshop channel. Today we are going to be covering getting started with your new FX Impact M4. So this is the hard case that it comes in. Crack it open. And on the inside you get your user's manual, have a Foster fitting, the new magazines. The old magazines will also work in the M4, so if you got a stockpile of those, you're good. But this is a 30 cal. Got your moderator, and you have the M4. So we're going to jump right in. Airing it up, start by removing your dust cover. I'll be filling it from one of our Air Marksman mini tanks. So you'll attach your hose, make sure it's secure so it doesn't pop off and whack you in the face. Make sure your bleed valve is closed. These are 250 bar tanks, so I'll fill it up to 250. Close that top valve, bleed the hose, and remove your hose. Attach it back on there, put the tank away, and put your dust cover back on. Now we will load our magazine. Load it the same way you do with your old impact magazines. Rotate that lock 180 degrees. Take your cover off. Wind the magazine until it stops. Grab my pellets. Put one pellet in the first spot to hold that there. And then load all the pellets facing down, or slugs, whatever you're using. Once that is loaded all the way, take your cover, put it back on, rotate the lock another 180 degrees, and you're ready to load it into the gun. So when you load it into the gun, you will take your charging handle, cock it all the way to the rear, make sure your probe isn't showing in your mag well, with the pellets facing forward. Put it in an angle, rotate it in until it clicks, and you're ready to go. To remove the mag, it's the same as your M3, your Impact M3. There's that little lever, depress that, slide it out. So, just a quick tip on installing your moderator. When I put my moderators on, you don't have to go very tight, just a nice little hand tight, just barely snug. And when you remove it, I like to hold on to the shroud, crack it loose, just so if your moderator is a little tight, you're not unthreading the whole shroud with the moderator. So guys, that is getting started with your new FX Impact M4. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments or feel free to call our service department. But make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.